Hi, I'm Kurt with Polyvance, and I'm in the shop today to do a little modification on a customer's fuel tank. This is a late model Dodge pickup fuel tank. He wants to fit it inside the frame rails of an older Dodge pickup. So he cut off the end of the tank and wants us to patch it. So what we're planning to do here is take a polyethylene sheet and cap the end here. This tank did not have an identification symbol, so we already did a test weld with it. This is a low density polyethylene rod. The black material is polyethylene here. This is a very common type of plastic that's used for fuel tanks because it's almost chemically inert. No fuels or oils will attack it, so it has to be welded. That's why your adhesives won't stick to polyethylene. Okay, we're going to cut our polyethylene plate to end cap to match the contour of the fuel tank. So what I'm going to do is take a Sharpie on a piece of cardboard and just trace it out. These are polyethylene sheets that Polyvance sells, and I can see through them just well enough to trace through the contour of the end cap that we're going to make. And I can always trim this later. I want to make it just a little bit larger than necessary. Okay, I've got the cap cut out, and we are going to be able to place this right here. I want to get that prepped. And before I do the welding, I'm going to come in and bevel this edge just a little bit so we'll be able to have a nice fit up on the weld here. We're welding around the perimeter with the R04-02 profile. The 02 profile is a 3/16 diameter, so it's a little bit bigger around than our 1/8 inch diameter rod. Okay, we finished the first weld with the 02 profile 3/16 diameter welding rod, and just to make sure we've got a good seal on the end of the tank here, we're going to cap that first pass with a pass of our R04-04 low density polyethylene welding rod. All right, we've finished the job. We've welded on the polyethylene cap onto the polyethylene fuel tank, sealed it up with 2 passes of polyethylene welding rod, and we've already tested it for leaks. Everything is good, so ready to go back in the truck.